Hey everybody, we are going to try to ride this scooter. It's like a scooter sharing system which is called the Beam. I've just downloaded the apps and top up 11 ringgit, and I'm supposed to scan the QR. Okay, so what else? Now, so I'm gonna scan the QR. Something went wrong. Please try again. So I just tested that one, didn't work. So I just tried this one, it worked. So I think it's charged by the hour. So let's give it a go. So it says that we have to push, and then once we got it going, you just press this go button. But it didn't seem like it's working, like it's jammed. Just gonna try it for a while.
You need to just ride.
Yeah, I think
it's different lah. So 5 and then 5.
Ah, another one, yes, different. So that one is spoiled. The wheels are jammed, so we can't move that. So the secret is, if you want to ride this, make sure that it can move like this one. This one can move. Alright, so you have to scan this. To scan this. Right, bell. Okay. So we try this one. Alright, let's give it a go. Alright. So the speedometer is moving.
Good luck, good luck.
Yeah, the area is better. I'm not so good in riding, so so I got to just push and go. Oh, okay. Alright. I'm not a good scooter rider, so so for the failed one just now, I was charged 5 ringgit for 4 minutes and 26 seconds. So it's a waste. So you better test your scooter before you ride it. Time to extend my selfie stick and give you all a better view. Can it go up the hill? Let's go up the hill. Can it get power to move up the hill? It can. The performance going down. So just make sure you have your hand on the brake. Right? with my GoPro in my left hand, I cannot make a brake, a proper brake. So if you want to ride this, better to put chest harness to hold your camera, right? So I think it's time to go back before the time runs out, because I can't go up the hill. The battery is almost drained. So the last time I checked, the battery is like 39%. I think it can last me the trip to go back, return to the starting point just now. Well, it's a good experience, but not cheap, right? 5 ringgit for about 5 minutes, so 1 ringgit per minute. So that's it, a short trip, but it's fun. It's fun. Just put up the kickstand, and we're gonna end the trip like so. Payment received. So it asks us to take a photo of where we park the scooter. So, okay, how was your ride? It asks us to rate the ride, so I guess I put it, I mean, I can put it 5, yes, in spite of the price. Okay, just do it like so, submit. So it charges 5 ringgit for 4 minutes and 23 seconds, just nice, because I've topped up 11 just now and deducted 10 now, so I'm just left with 1. It's a good ride. Maybe next time I'm going to top up more and then get the scooter that still has a lot of battery power in it, and then we're going to move further around. Let's see where I can bring this, because it doesn't say where we can or we cannot travel. So we can just travel around and then come back here, maybe through the, I know it's wrong, but take the main road there and then come back. Or maybe a big U-turn there at the roundabout. There's going to be much challenges, so that's going to be our turn, our plan in the future. Right now we're going to go and have our breakfasting. I'll see you in a while.